Hello everyone, it's Axe the Beast here today, and today I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys how to create Planetball's assets. So you want to know what tool we're going to be using here. Well, this is Sketchpad. It's like an amazing art drawing website. Currently for you guys to make anything, or for Planetball's assets probably. So we're going to show you the full basics of this. Yes. So here is our toolbox apparently. This is the select tool that allows you to click on the thing made or size it up or rotate it. Oh yeah, you can change the size of anything using the crop and resize tool. Then here is where you can choose which tool you want. There's all of these. Then here you could set a blend mode right here. This is the fill tool. So if you put a red color, it will fill in the specific thing. The outline is this. If you change the outline to that, it looks like a McDonald's. Then here's is where you can click on the star button and then click here so you can change to any shape. And you can set blend mode for that. And the line width, that's what line width is. It's where you can make the outline bigger. Then there are sides where you could do like this. You could do like, you could make the sun. Usually then the slope is like you can make these things. Isn't that awesome? Then we've got the world tool where you can make it whirl like the cutout. This is what the cutout is. It's like a thing, but you can just put it to 0. Alright, so now I'm going to teach you how to make a new project. So click the plus, this button with the plus symbol. It says new on it. You can make a custom size apparel. And then you can choose which one you want. I recommend choose color because that one I think is the best. So we're here. So to make your outline for your Planetball, use the circle tool and also put the fill to white and the outline like that. So then you can make a custom circle. Just do any circle. Like this. I'm going to use this circle. And if it looks like that, use the drag to rotate part. to fix it. Yes, you probably want custom color for your Planetball. So imagine if you were doing blue, you would do this. Oh yeah, also, do you know what I use? I'm gonna use pencil, black, a fill for the pencil. Put the fill to 0. Brush me there. Put outline to 0. Random fill 0. So I'm making a continent right here like this. You can choose how the landscape of your own Planetballs, but this is what I'm doing. Boom, there we go. The fill tool. Don't use the fill tool because it's too crazy. So here you can make continents like this. These continents can do you can do continents like that. And then if you want to give it some eyes, change it to white. And then do this. You can rotate them to straight like that. And then you could do it like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye, everyone.